Hello, how you doing? Today I am making liver. I'm using a lamb's liver curry. This is really beautiful and delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about 3 cups, maybe just a little bit more, of lamb's liver. I've cut it into chunks like that. You can cut it smaller if you want. 2 cups of tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. 1 cup of onion cut really small. A cup of carrot, again really small. Teaspoon of cumin, 4 green cardamom, 2 red dried chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, about a tablespoon, maybe a bit more of chili. I want quite a lot of chili in this one, but that's up to you. And then a teaspoon of the big 4. So we've got chili powder, turmeric, coriander, and cumin powder. Let's get moving. So here we go, let's get started. So in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil today. You could use something different if you want. The heat's just on, and it's on fairly high. We're starting off by dropping in the cumin seeds, the cardamom, and the dried chili. So just a few seconds, let them do their thing in that oil. They'll infuse the oil. It's a very important step, this, don't rush it. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of onion cut small, 1 cup of carrot, again cut small, and I'm going to add some salt, and we're going to fry this around for about 4 minutes or so. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Ginger garlic paste is a 50-50 mix of the 2. You may have heard me say this many times if you're a regular to the show. But yeah, we make our own because we use so much of it here. You can do the same as well. Make a small amount, stick it in the fridge, or you can buy it in many stores. I mean, every Indian store will have it. Let's get in the chili. Now, we're using quite a lot here of fresh chili. And then next up, we're going to add in the liver, which I've cut into this size. You can cut it into any other size that you like. I like it, you know, it's fairly big like this. We're going to go for 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Excellent stuff, excellent. Okay, we're now going to add 2 cups of fresh tomato, and then we're going to hit it with these spices, the big 4, 1 teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, coriander, and cumin, in it goes. We're going to go for 5 more minutes, staying on this lively heat. What we want is those tomatoes to break down a little bit, and they're probably going to give us off some moisture. If yours don't worry, you can add some water. Keep it moving. So as you can see, I got plenty of moisture from my tomatoes as they cook down. If you didn't, you could just add a little bit of water. What we're going to do now is we're going to drop the heat down to quite low, not simmer, but you know, above a simmer, and just let that go for about another 5 or 6 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, off goes the heat. That is absolutely beautiful. Check it for salt. I'm now going to add just a little pinch or 2 of garam masala powder. Garam masala powder is a little finishing spice. You can check it out there. It's a blend of different stuff in there. And some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. That is amazing. All right, and there you go, a beautiful liver curry. I actually really love liver quite a lot. It's not everyone's favorite, is it? Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.